All right, welcome back everybody. So today I'm going to test out some of these boat tail slugs that I pressed with my Corbin S-Press. And I made these specifically for the DRS. These are 33.7 grains. These are basically the heaviest slug that I can make in a boat tail with a hollow point that is going to be small enough to fit inside of those mini mags. So that is what I'm going to test today. Unfortunately, today it is super windy out here, and I don't think I'm going to get any, conclusive results because my target boards down there are getting blown all over the place. So it's going to be hard just to get a group in general, but I do want to at least get some chronograph data and see if I can get a ballistic coefficient or, some kind of data today. So that is what I'm going to do. So I'm just going to get set up. I need to set up my chronograph back to the G1 ballistic profile because that is basically what everyone is using to post up the results. I do like the RA4 personally, just for setting up my dope chart for the different distances that I need to shoot when I go to competitions. That profile is made for rimfire, which is obviously very similar, and I find when I shoot the hollow point dish-based slugs, which is kind of like a general slug, it seems to be a little bit more accurate. It's not far off of the G1, but in that kind of middle range of yardage, it seems to be more accurate for me, so I like to use that one personally. So that's what I have this set up for, but I need to just configure it differently. Got everything set up, and now it's time to see how they do. I always forget on these benches I need to put the chronograph on the other side. It's kind of narrow. Probably would help if I put that back down to 0. All right, so that was 12 shots, and the standard deviation was really great. Only 1.3. The spread was only 4, and the BC was 141.141. So really not that bad, but the group wasn't too great, and I can't tell if it's just the wind, as it's really crazy out there right now, or if it's just really not grouping well. But at least I have some of this data. But that group looks to be about like 1 MOA at 50. It's like about an inch group, so it's not the best at 50 yards, but yeah. So unfortunately, that's probably about the best I can do today with the conditions that are out here. So I'll post up a photo of the ballistic app, and so you guys can see kind of the data that I was getting. But the group wasn't that great, so keep that in mind. But that doesn't really reflect anything bad on the Slugs itself, really. I don't think. It's just so windy and rainy out here. I just don't think I'm going to be able to do it. So that's all, guys. I'll see you guys on the next one. I'm going to test out some different slugs in the Pantera now. So that'll be my next video. I'll see you guys later. Bye.